10 most stupid car modifications. Cars come in different shapes and sizes. Some are sleek, whereas others look like they've been baked straight from Pluto. Forget about the carbon-bodied car with massive 6-inch rims and to die for interior. Some modifications made on cars will leave you laughing hysterically, if not disappointed. As much as we all love our cars souped up, some adjustments are just not worth the trouble. Today in this video, we'll show you 10 most stupid car modifications. We've saved the best for last. Keep watching to find out which ones. But before we begin, kindly show us some love by subscribing to our channel for more of our amazing content. Give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our weekly uploads. Let's get it on. Number 1. Exhaust whistle tip. Also known as whistlers, basically it's a whistle attached to the end of your car's exhaust system, causing it to produce an irritatingly high-pitched whistle whenever the car's in motion. The whistle is loud enough to be heard from a mile away. This expressively mindless car modification will enormously draw two things your way: attention and cops. It's one of the surest ways of driving your neighborhood crazy. I mean, you must know nobody wants an irritatingly screaming pitch to be the first thing they hear in the morning, right? This cool, not so cool, and antisocial car modification started out as a joke with temporary whistle tips before it was embraced by the street racing community of San Leandro, California. Fortunately, some states have banned this useless, not so exclusive modification. Number 2. Loudest car stereo. When this man introduces himself, it sure must be something like, "My name is Virgil Williams. I'm from Lean Haven, Florida, and I've got a really, really loud car." You have to be glad you don't live anywhere near William. In his Honda Civic, William has installed a $25,000 sound system that's the loudest car in a 500-mile radius. In his backseat and trunk sits 6 15-inch woofers and 2 amplifiers that can blast 154 decibels, louder than a jet taking off, a jackhammer, or even an air raid siren. Sounds insane, right? William, as you might expect, loves participating in loud car contests and claims to own the world record for the loudest single woofer car in the world, an 18-inch woofer that hit 170.3 decibels, louder than most rock concerts. Luckily too, just like the whistle tip, this one too flouts state law, which says any car stereo clearly audible from 25 feet away is illegal. You can otherwise imagine the number of eardrums that would have been shattered by Williams' car. Number 3. Fake bullet hole stickers. Obviously, the car modification scene has and will continue evolving over the years, but fake bullet hole stickers is just plain absurd. Why would anyone want to have that beloved car look like it's straight out of a shootout scene? Even real-life gangsters don't drive around in bullet-ridden cars. For whatever reason, though, stickers imitating bullet holes are a thing in the car modification world. In fact, people tend to put them on their fenders, doors, and trunk. They are not funny and not charming, so most people don't buy them. Number 4. Bedazzled car accessories. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Certainly has to be the only reason why this crazy modification exists in the first place. But it might be a little too hard not to judge a fully bedazzled car. Apparently, if a car enthusiast find that the vinyl wrap isn't flamboyant enough, worry not. You can always go all the way and have the car's exterior or interior, or if you like, both bedazzled with various shiny crystals and details, just like with handbags, smartphones, and clothing. Adding crystals and precious stones on your steering wheel, center, or console, or even the gear level, will not help in any shape, form, or function. Nevertheless, for a person with more money and horrible sense of taste, might as well be the ultimate way to spend their hard-earned money. Or maybe it's not. Number 5. Fast food tray. Many car manufacturers these days make cars with cup holders as standard and storage spaces designed for our cell phones and mobile devices. Seems to be no end in creativity when it comes to an in-car storage, but some car owners are pushing it a bit too far. They install an expandable small plastic tray that mounts to a cup holder space in the center console. This makes it a place where you can put your inviting burger and fries while on the go. Well, it sounds super genius and practical in theory, but it sure must be properly messy in real life. How not to keep your eyes on the food other than the food is what is also an issue. Number 6. The unique matte Lamborghini. This matte black Lamborghini Murcielago has received quite a few odd and stupid mods. The engine was moved from the back of the car to the front to make room for a big storage space like a pickup bin, while adding some extra room through a roof rack. If a person buys a Lamborghini, he or she should know that this type of car cannot carry stuff because it wasn't designed to. The definition of a sports car doesn't include carrying things with it, and that's why it should be left as it was made by the producer. The fun. Number 7. Colin Firth's BMW Hot Tub. The YouTube star Colin Firth transformed a BMW E30 325i into a motion jacuzzi. It took Colin Firth about 4 weeks to build what's probably the only rolling jacuzzi in the world, complete with a rolling spa, with a fully functioning hot tub and a grill in the trunk lid. To give it a real visual impression, he covered the entire exterior in artificial turf. According to Colin, a ride in the spa car feels like driving a boat, just not on water. Colin warns, though, that care must be taken because the car does not accelerate slower, but needs a longer distance to stop due to the extra weight. Firth is without a doubt a very talented engineer. It's only sad, though, that he hacked up such a cool car. Number 8. The Pigmobile. Car modification designs are meant to be as attractive as possible. Excessive modifications, though, can seriously eliminate elements of beauty and luxury of the car. This car is one such case. It's painstakingly unsettling to think that this car was initially a Mercedes. Who would turn a $60,000 luxury car into a piece of bacon on the move? And why? This car is modified with a pink body cast, a pig nose on the front, a curly tail at the back, and massive ears on both sides, making it so weird. Number 9. The Cadillac with a coffin grill. What do you do with a car that's former purpose was for transportation of coffins? Apparently, he turned that bad boy into a death-themed barbecue vehicle. If you thought you'd seen it all, then here it is. That's what Pimp My Ride did with a 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, also called the open casket bar and grill. They built a massive grill into a coffin in the back of the car, meaning the owner could pull that coffin out and start cooking burgers at a moment's notice. It's also not just a grill, but also a cooler for drinks and a sound system for some spooky tunes. Has to be the worst car game ever. Number 10. Fake model decals. What a way to scream fake than an M3 badge on your economy spec 4-cylinder BMW or a Boss 302 badge on a V8 Mustang. Fake car decals might be the most affordable way to modify your car, but believe it or not, they are the most useless modifications you can have. Remember, one of the first unwritten laws of a car hobbyist is to never present your car as something that's not. Yes, you can buy any badge or any model decal straight from the manufacturer. However, only put what's appropriate on the car, as the only thing fake badges and decals will bring your way is attention, though, very briefly, since any car fan will identify the fakes. Did you enjoy our video? Click on the subscribe button for more of our incredible videos. Give us a like and share the video. Let us know what you think in the comments section below.